my friends, this week we are going to Monster Jam. Now, if you don't know what Monster Jam is, oh, you're in for a treat with this episode. Monster Jam is where they take a bunch of monster trucks and put them in these competitions against each other, and they do time trials and crazy flips and all the freestyle things. It's pretty amazing. And I remember going to this kind of stuff when I was a kid. My mom and I used to go to the Coliseum and we'd check it out. And that's where I first saw like Gravedigger, who's been around forever. Probably their most popular truck, which he was at this Monster Jam as well, but unfortunately, truck broke off some pretty vital parts right away, and Gravedigger didn't really get to do that much in the show. But don't let that discourage you, because this show was great. People, it was a packed house. I've never been to the NRG Stadium in Houston before. We got invited there by Dave and Catherine, a couple friends of ours, who decided to make this kind of like an annual event. They do it for their birthdays. This is the new thing, and I'm glad they do, because it's great. It's a lot of fun. It's a pretty solid show to check out. So, without further ado, y'all, let's check out Monster Jam. You ready? Monster Truck time! NRG Stadium. It's Monster Jam. Check it out. So we're going to the pit party, y'all. Jesus. This place is massive. Look at this.
And it weirdly smells like ramen.
It does, right? Metal.
That's metal.
Truck. It's the Whiplash. I don't know what to yell though. I don't know what to yell though.
How are you gonna drive it?
How am I gonna drive it? Fast. As I drive all the trucks. It's Whiplash. It's gonna be alright though. Way more back.
Are you good?
We at Monster Jam. Monster Jam. Sometimes you can watch the monster trucks. You get like corn dogs, $2 beer. Sometimes you get red wine and like just chocolate cake ball things. That's what happened. So I remember when I was younger going to stuff like this, just how loud everything was. We used to go to, there's all things like this, like monster trucks were amazing. We'd go to see these funny cars and drag racing. And it was the heat that would come off the cars. They had a runway that would go up over the top between the two sets of like bleachers and everything. You weren't allowed to be in there because the temperature would get so hot from the cars that it would burn you. so they wouldn't let anybody in it, and it was just the vibrations and the noise from it was so insanely loud. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. Earplugs, just in case.